Hello everyone. Alright, we're going to do a quick little video here on how to set up the tension in your torsion bars for the Cross Rc BC8. Now in your kit you will notice you get two of these pieces. Now when you first open the kit you might go, what the hell is this piece for? Well, this piece is actually to help you set the tension of your torsion bars. Now on my truck I want to go soft, so I've picked the soft piece here. What I'm going to do is lock it down across the bottom of the truck here so that it's nice and flat. That way when I adjust each side it's going to be even. It's really simple. I really quite like how clever this process is. All we have to do is hold this arm up whilst we tighten up our bolts. When you put this truck together it says don't tighten these to start with, and this is why. So we're going to hold this up against the soft piece here, simply tighten up our bolts on the torsion bar. Now I'm going to keep this suspension arm held in place, tighten up all four of these, make sure they're all nipped up nice and tight, and then I'm going to go and tighten the bottom ones. Now you probably won't be able to see what I'm doing here, but I'm essentially repeating the same process on the bottom. Nice and tight, we don't want anything coming loose. And if these do come loose you'll find out instantly because your wheel will start to jump up and down really softly. It'll have no resistance. Okay, so once they're tightened up, I let go, and it barely came back off at all. So now you can see that's actually got the torsion. Lovely. It's really that simple, and you repeat the process for the other side. So soft is soft. Standard will make the truck sit a bit higher and your wheels will slightly angle in at the bottom, how the real one does. So it's really that simple. That's how you set the torsion bar stiffness on your Cross Rc BC8. Thanks for watching.